In today's special episode, I struggle to count the days of the week, Alex takes a photo, and Molly has stumpy legs. Down Bellever Forest for the day with Alex and his missus and kid. This is actually part of the trail that we're going to be walking on Downpour in a day, which will be good fun. It's probably about just under halfway of our total route. Yeah. Just a quick update on the fundraising. So I posted a video on Sunday, and after Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, after four days, it jumped from 50% up to 90%. So I'm very happy with that. So thank you everyone again that's donated. And if you can, and you haven't, please do so. Cheers. Apparently this is was a settlement back in the day. Obviously not really much here now, other than a few rocks. That's I guess we're here before. Meant to be following this little trail map that Tommy's got, and it doesn't tell you where you actually need to go. I'm a bit more prepared this week as well. Last week I was sorting all my hiking stuff out and forgot to put it in the car, so I managed to do that during the week, get it all sorted, put it in the car, and so ready for spontaneous trips now. I haven't got my rucksack today. I've actually got this little bum bag thing that I got for Christmas. So on days like this where you're sticking to a route, which I mean doesn't really look like much of a route, but it's fine for that. I don't need all my survival stuff, as it were. Though Alex did say, should we put gaiters on? And I said, nah, I'll be alright. We're going on a path. And kind of regretting that, because it is not very solid ground at the moment. If we just stayed on the path like I wanted, we wouldn't have this bog problem. We'd be in the middle of the forest looking at the woodlands. Instead we're on the outside walking through bogs, and it's not really pretty out here. It's just looking through the trees when you get a chance. But it is what it is. It's still nice walk. It's going to be a bit windy. I think that over there is Sitford Tor. I might be wrong, but I know we come down through the woods on this side. So it's going to be a bit of a trek. So it's nice to get a kind of familiar ground when it comes to it. I wouldn't mind starting at the top near Oakhampton at some point, because it is all uphill and it'd be nice to know where, so we don't get lost in the first hour. But yeah, I might take a venture up there at some point soon. We'll see. So we've decided to hit up Laughter Tour as well today on the way back to the car. So up to there, walk back through the forest, back to the car and call it a day. Sign that. Yeah. That's Laughter Tour. Just came from over there. That's Bellever Tour. I think that's probably my favourite tour to date. It's nice. A little bit prickly down here. I don't know why I decided to come this way, but there's no clear path back down to the forest without going back on ourselves. Ah! Oh. So yeah, hopefully there's a gate down the bottom, and yeah, hopefully get back into the forest, because I don't want to be walking back up through all of this stuff. And yeah. Okay, let's trudge on. Ow. Yeah, just because I've got long legs doesn't mean that. Oh, how the fuck am I getting through this?
We're not. This way.
Right. Ah! Ah! There we go. Oh, look at that, it's thinned out. Just like I said, expert guide. Professional tour moors guide person thing. Ah. Molly's got short legs, so the prickles are touching her fanny. Ah.
Oh, Adam, you let me right into that.
Well, that sounds like your problem.
No,
Alex is back there with Tommy, who's even shorter than Molly. So I said it was getting thinner, but I might have told a little bit of a lie.
It's getting bushier.
Bushier. Oh, by the way, discussion today, we're going to be having a TikTok channel. An Instagram. All coming soon. So she's going to be in charge of that because I'm too old for TikTok and I don't know what a TikTok is.
In my defence, I'm only 3 years younger than you.
I'm nearly 30. Too old to have a TikTok. Too old to have a YouTube channel. You know what? After the first big hike we done, I noticed I swore a lot, and I haven't been swearing as much in the videos. But this one, I think, is kind of.
I think this comes with an 18 warning.
Yeah, this one warrants swearing because it's sharp and prickly. So finally in the actual woods. First time today, isn't it, Molly? Because Molly wanted to go a different way to scribble some crayons. So
No, the hunter's trail for children.
Wanted to do the hunter's trail for children.
It was very man-made.
It's what?
It feels very man-made.
Well, it is man-made because it's forestry England. So it's no different to Holden, I guess.
Which is good fun.
Yeah, I'm not a fan of Holden, really. I don't like paying the parking prices for anywhere. That's why I like the moors, it's free. On the actual path, walking back to the car, it's about a mile away, which is not too bad. But I think I'd definitely like to come down here again for a couple hours and explore all the woods, which I think would be quite nice. But getting that map out to scribble crayons again. Are we going the right way? No, which way were we meant to be going? So we've come back on ourselves to look for history markers. They're called history markers, Alex?
Yeah, something like that.
Something like that. So we've come back on ourselves and then we're going to walk back that way to get the ones over there because we took a detour, we went up to the tor and then over to Laughter Tor, so we didn't stay on the path. So I think in total this walk is about 8 kilometers, 8 to 9 kilometers in total. So it's not too bad for a couple hours of a leisurely walk. It's all good practice for Dartmoor in a day. It's just it's been pretty level grounded, a bit boggy, so not quite the sort of incline that we're expecting on a 32-mile hike, but plenty of bogs to manoeuvre, and I don't have gaiters on today. I will be packing my gaiters for Dartmoor in a day, just in case we do hit some substantial boggy areas. Right, through here to through here to find the last thing. Apparently it's a burial ground or something. Oh, I just missed it. Molly fell over.
She won't even move either.
Fuck's sake. Do it again. Ooh. There we go. At the end of Bellever Woods, Bellever Forest, whatever you want to call it. Next week, hopefully, wild camp.